जरूर से निकाल के अपनी काटने।
अरे जाइए यार, खिंचवा दीजिए। बढ़िया।
फलक पे छाने को एक जिद ही काफी है इतिहास बनाने को। Good morning everyone. Warmest greeting on our school foundation day. We are honored to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Sapna Singh. Thank her for sharing her wisdom with us. A special welcome to our director sir, director principal sir, dear parents and teachers and students. Today we celebrate our school legacy and the spirit of learning that unites us. Let's share some memories, inspire each other and strive for excellence, a memorable and enriching day. Let's begin with the lamp lighting ceremony. Class 12, Priyanshu Tiwari. To kindly light the lamp. Priyanshu. Father of Priyanshu. आइए चलते हैं अंधकार से प्रकाश की ओर, पृथ्वी से आकाश की ओर, पदार्थ से सूक्ष्म की ओर, अज्ञान से ज्ञान की ओर और प्राणी से परमात्मा की ओर। Lamp lighting is supposed to bring a lot of positivity in the entire atmosphere where it is lit. Asif, please come here. Principal sir, please welcome. our esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Sapna Singh, a luminary in their field, who has graciously agreed to share her insight with us today. As we celebrate our school's foundation, we honor the spirit of knowledge and innovation that defines us. As Rabindranath Tagore said, the highest education is that which does not merely give us information, but make our life in harmony with all existence. So, our director sir will now introduce our chief guest and share a few words about our school's journey and vision through a short video prepared by Mr. Vijay. Please welcome our director sir.
Good morning to all my dear students, toppers, their parents, teachers, and chief guest, Mrs. Sapna Singh. I want to thank also and welcome also Mrs. Sapna Singh because she agreed on our invitation and she has taken trouble to come over here all along from the Varanasi. Mrs. Sapna Singh, she belongs to Saipur and she is aiming in psychology, in sociology. It is very difficult to say about Mrs. Sapna Singh in few words or few lines because there are so many things, so many good work she has done for the society. She always organizes medical camps and helps the needy person and poor person. And during COVID-19 also, she coordinated with the district administration and provided help to the people suffering from COVID-19. She is not only that, but she is so much caring about the poor people, weaker sections. इन्होंने हर जगह जो है वो पुअर की और उसके लिए उनका पहला पॉइंट होता है, पहला अंश होता है कि किसी तरह से पुअर की हेल्प करना। विंटर्स में ब्लैंकेट बांटना, मेडिकल कैंप लगवाना, ये सब ये करती रहती है सोसाइटी के लिए। यहाँ पर मैं इनका कंपैरिजन करना चाहूँगा फाउंडर ऑफ दिस स्कूल, Mrs. Reka Fleiss. She was also so much caring about the weaker sections and the unprivileged people. That's very much compared with Mrs. Sapna Singh. ये भी इतना अच्छा काम कर रही है और मैडम फैज भी उनकी थिंकिंग और उनका वे ऑफ वर्किंग, वे ऑफ हेल्पिंग द पुअर, वो भी बहुत कुछ मिलता जुलता है। मिसेस सपना सिंह ने बहुत ज़्यादा जो है वो गरीब लोगों को शादियाँ भी कराई हैं, हर तरह से उनकी हेल्प किया है, जिसका हम वर्ड्स में तो बताना बहुत मुश्किल है। Even she adopts 50 to 60 tuberculosis patients, and she provides them food, she provides them proper care and help. Every year, she adopts 50 to 60 tuberculosis patients. So as I told you that it is very difficult to describe the qualities of Mrs. Sapna Singh. Now let us say something about this school. This school was started in 1985 and we have completed 39 years and entered into 48 years. And it was the vision of only one person, Mrs. Reka Fleiss. And it is, do you think that it was very easy for her? to establish this school? No, it was very difficult. बहुत मुश्किल था ये स्कूल को खड़ा करना। उनके पास पैसा नहीं था, लेकिन उनके पास क्या था? सिर्फ उनके दिल में एक वो था कि हमको ये काम करना है, डेडिकेशन था। और वो डेडिकेशन ही जो है रीज़न है इस स्कूल को खड़ा करने में। वो कोई भी काम करने से पहले सोचती देखती कि इसका अंजाम क्या होगा, कि उनको करना है तो करना है। और शी गॉट सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द पीपल आल्सो एंड फ्रॉम द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आल्सो इन डूइंग दिस वर्क। बहुत उनकी जिंदगी मुश्किल थी, आसान नहीं थी। her husband was suffering from cancer and ultimately he passed away. And Mrs. Enterprise, she was serving as principal. She has served as principal in many government schools of UP. And finally, before her retirement, she came to Gazipur and retired as principal of Government Girls Inter College. So these are the some achievements of Madam Sheikha Faiz, very much inclined very to help the needy people like Mrs. Sarnasi. So really we can compare the ladies. I don't know whether these, because these are there in all ladies or in only two. I hope that all the ladies should get out this quality. Gents can also, but I think it is very difficult for the gents. This school was recognized for class 10 in 2000, and the first batch of students appeared in 2012. And since then, we are just progressing, moving on the path of progress. Every year, the results are very good, 100% result, and in district also we have some position, and because of that only we are known. The school is not known because of the infrastructure we have. The school is known because of the teachers we have and what kind of education they are giving to children. And because of our teachers only the school can rise and can create name in the district. Not only in this education, but we are helping other institutions also. In 2023, BSA of Gazipur requested me to adopt one school, to renovate one school.
वॉल्यूम बढ़ाएं।
song.
न चोरहार्यं न राजहार्यं न भातृभाज्यं न च भारकारि व्यग्रते वर्धते एव नित्यं विद्याधनं सर्वधनं प्रधानम्. Education is something that cannot be stolen, cannot be taxed. The more you expend, the more it becomes. The more you share, the more it becomes. So, it's time to recognizing the outstanding achievements of our students. I would like to invite our chief guest, ma'am. Ma'am, please, to facilitate these highest scored student of class 10 and 12.
स्टिल कीजिए, स्टिल ले रहे हैं।
See receiving merit certificate, a silver medal, wristwatch. See receiving a merit certificate, silver medal. Silver medal, wristwatch, and a cash prize of ₹1,000 and sapling. Thank you, Sonia. Thank you, Sonia. Thank you, sir. Position holder from Science School, Priyanshu Tiwari, 95.8%. Please welcome Priyanshu Tiwari. Father of Priyanshu Tiwari, please welcome parents of Priyanshu Tiwari. Okay. The highest scorer of humanities, Abdul Shamal, 93%. Please welcome Abdul Shamal. Parents of Abdul Shamal, please welcome sir. Receiving merit certificate, a gold medal, a cash prize of ₹2,000 and sapling. Thank you, sir. Now, Azila Razi, 90%. Receiving merit certificate, a gold medal, a cash prize of ₹2,000 and sapling. Thank you, sir. Now, class 10. Receiving merit certificate, a silver medal, receiving merit certificate, a silver medal, a cash prize of ₹1,000, sapling, and half free shift and monthly fee for 2 years, provided the student maintain as aggregate of 80% mark in class 11. Thank you, Manisha. Thank you. Receiving a gold medal, merit certificate, a cash prize of ₹2,000, sapling, and full free shift in monthly fee for 2 years, provided the student maintains an aggregate 80% mark in class 11. Thank you, Asa, and thank you everyone for your kind gesture. Enthusiasm. Let's pride and enthusiasm.
मंजिल पाने मैं चला हम रात बनाए गर्भ में अगर सच्चाई है। अर्चिता राय 95.4%. Please welcome Archita. She is receiving a certificate, cash prize of ₹1,000 and a supplement. Thank you, Archita. Now, Ariba Zainab, 95.4%. Ariba Zainab. Please welcome Ariba. Ariba, she is receiving a certificate and cash prize of ₹1,000 and supplement. Thank you, Ariba. Now, Bhavya Singh. Bhavya Singh. Please welcome Bhavya. Bhavya is receiving 95%. She is receiving a certificate, a cash prize of ₹1,000 and supplement. Bhavya Singh, 95%. Thank you, Bhavya. Now, Shiva Singh. Shiva Singh, 95%. He is receiving a certificate, a cash prize of ₹1,000 and a supplement. Congratulations, Shiva. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Shiva.
Look here, beta.
Thank you, Principal sir, for your kind gesture. Their remarkable feat. Ma'am, please welcome. Now, Mansi Patel, class 12, who scored 100% mark in chemistry. Please welcome Mansi. Is receiving a cash prize of ₹1,000, a merit certificate, and a supplement. Teacher Mr. Rohit Chandra Srivastava is also being awarded. Please welcome Rohit sir. Congratulations, Mansi. Thank you, ma'am. Now, please welcome Shiva. And teachers Mr. Piyush Kumar Singh Physics, Mrs. Sazia Mami Chemistry, and Mr. Yogesh Pandey Biology are also being awarded a certificate and supplement for giving 100% in their subject. And Yogesh Pandey sir, please welcome. They are also being awarded a certificate and a supplement. You sir, Sazia ma'am, and Yogesh Pandey sir. Congratulations, everyone.
Look here, Pandit.
Feels so good to be back here. Good morning, everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, Director Sir, Director Ma'am, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, Manager Ma'am, my dear teachers, students, their parents, and all the staff. A very happy Founders Day to all of us. Today is truly special. 40 years of Shafex Public School. That's not just a number. That's 4 decades of dreams, dedication, and transformation. And it all started because of one woman, late Mrs. Saida Faraz ma'am. She wasn't just the founder manager of this school. She was someone who believed that education could change lives, and especially in places where no one expected it to. She had only one vision, that these students should have bright future. And even we all are a part of that dream today.
as SEMI, a student here in 2018. It feels so real to be back because this school wasn't just where I studied. This was the place where I became who I am. I joined this school in UKG as a little girl holding her father's hand, all nervous and shy. And honestly, that little girl would have never imagined that she would be back here today. But not as a student, as someone who would be sharing her journey with all. This is where I learned how to speak, how to express, how to stand up and say, yes, I can do it. Whether it was debates, speeches, dancing, hosting assemblies, or doing anything, I was always out there, and I can proudly say that this school, these teachers, this place gave me that space. This school gave me the push I didn't even know I needed. I still remember how Honorable Director Sir and Manager Ma'am would appreciate me for the smallest thing that I did. And honestly, when you are that young, that small, that little encouragement, it shapes you, it shapes your personality, and it always will be there in your heart. This school is not just a place I studied in, it is my home, and I can proudly say that today. I have laughed here, cried here, grown up here. My mother was a part of this school, and today my aunt is a part of the teaching faculty, so for me, this school will always be my blood and a part of my family. When I left 2018 and moved to Dehradun, it was one of the most horrible parts of my life. At least I thought so. New places, new people, new journey, new school, and I had to start everything all over again. I joined Doon International School, and trust my words when I say this, it wasn't easy for me. They was one of the biggest schools of India, taking part and taking different competitions, inter-school competition in dancing, in debates, in everything. And initially I was finding it so difficult to fit myself in there. But if I managed to adjust to fit myself in there, it was all because of this school. Because of this school, I stood up again, I spoke again, I expressed myself, and I took part in each and every event and even won them. I always was the best debater, and I can proudly say it was all because of this school. Right now, I'm in my third year at the University of Delhi studying political science honors. And no matter where I go from here, the most important thing in one's life is to be a good human being, and I learned that from here. I know for a fact that whatever I become, this school will always be the reason I started believing in myself. So to my teachers, thank you. Not just for teaching subjects, but for believing in me, for guiding me, for giving me the courage to be more than I thought I could be. To my juniors sitting here, please never take this place for granted. Because it's rare to find a school that gives you both roots and wings, and I can guarantee that this one, it really does. And to this beautiful school, happy 40th Founders Day. There is no better feeling than coming back here on this very stage, standing on this very podium, seeing my teachers, my seniors, my all the for your kind gesture. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am. Presentation of memento to chief guest. Sir, please.
It's very good that our magazine has really. I want to thank you two teachers who have through the education who have worked very hard. It is my team like Mr. Bajnasi, Mr. Rajneesh Shukla, and Mrs. Khansa Sabi.
Thank you, Director sir and Director ma'am. Ma'am, please wait. Sapna ma'am, please wait. Now let's hear a few words from our chief guest ma'am, Mrs. Sapna Singh. Please welcome them with a big round of applause. Please welcome.
थैंक यू। सॉफ्ट एंड स्कूल के आज 14th फाउंडेशन सेलिब्रेशन डे पे आपने मुझे यहाँ बुलाया, इसके लिए मैं आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ। एज ए जिला पंचायत अध्यक्ष, जैसा कि अभी सर ने बताया मेरे बारे में, मैं आपको अपनी जर्नी बताती हूँ। आज के इस मौके पे मैं बहुत सिंपल साधारण एक बहू थी और मैं मेरी फैमिली में आज भी हम लोग इतना घूमट करके चलते थे, लेकिन सडनली मेरे लाइफ में एक ऐसा दिन आया कि मुझे जिला पंचायत अध्यक्ष के लिए चुना गया। मैं अंदर से बहुत नर्वस थी कि मैं इतना बड़ा पद संभाल पाऊंगी या नहीं, या मैं कैसे करूंगी। लेकिन जब मैंने गाजीपुर में मेरा सर्टिफिकेट मिला, उस दिन ही मैंने एक प्रतिज्ञा कर ली, क्योंकि ऐसे मौके सबके हाथ नहीं लगते हैं। बहुत कोशिशों के बाद भी हम वो काम नहीं कर पाते जो हम अंदर से करना चाहते हैं। सर ने बताया ये जो हम लोग वर्क करते हैं, गरीबों की सहायता करते हैं, ये मेरे परिवार में बहुत पहले से होता आ रहा था। मेरे फादर इन लॉ गाजीपुर के बहुत ही बड़े व्यवसाय के रूप में जाने जाते थे, आदरणीय स्वर्गीय श्री शिवशंकर सिंह जी। और मैं बहुत प्राउड फील करती हूँ कि मैं उनकी सबसे छोटी बहू हूँ। उनके 6 लड़के थे और मैं उनकी सबसे छोटी बहू हूँ, और मुझे ये मौका मिला कि उनके गाजीपुर में किए गए कार्यों को मैं कितना ऊपर लेके जा सकती हूँ। और मैंने इन 4 सालों में एज ए जिला पंचायत मैंने वो करके दिखाया है। और मेरा मानना है कि वो सारी गलियाँ, वो सारी सड़कें जो लोग चलने के लिए उस पर बेहाल सड़कें होती हैं, बहुत सारी दिक्कतें होती हैं। कुछ ऐसे स्कूल भी होते हैं जहाँ पे बच्चों को जाने में कठिनाइयाँ होती है, मेरा ज़्यादातर ध्यान उस पर ही होता है। और आप जैसे महान विभूतियों के पद चिन्हों पे चलना, ये हम सबका एक आदर्श है। इससे हमें एक सीख लेनी चाहिए और उनके द्वारा किए गए कार्यों को हम कितना आगे लेके जा सकते हैं, चाहे वो बच्चों का स्कूल या बच्चों के और भी फैसिलिटीज, हम पेरेंट्स, टीचर, हम सब मिलके उन्हें कितना ऊपर लेके जा सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये हमारे भविष्य है, हमारे कल है, जो हमें एक आईना हम देख सकते हैं। अभी ये मेरी बच्ची है सौम्या, ये इतनी छोटी सी स्कूल में आई थी और आज ये देहरादून में पढ़ाई कर रही है। सो हमारे गाजीपुर के बच्चे इतने ऊपर जाएं। आप शिक्षक, आप रिस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल सर, रिस्पेक्टेड डायरेक्टर सर, मैम एंड ऑल टीचर्स, आप सबकी मेहनत, कड़ी लगन, इस भावना के साथ हमारे बच्चे गाजीपुर का नाम, गाजीपुर का इतिहास रोशन कर रहे हैं। हमारी बेटियां जो कि यूपीएससी से लेके वो हर एग्जाम क्रैक कर रही हैं, आज हमारी बेटियां उस बुलंदी पे पहुंच चुकी हैं जहां का सपना शायद साइरा मैम ने देखा था। और जो उनके स्कूल की बच्चियां आगे भी जाएंगी। और गाजीपुर के जो पेपर्स है, हम डेली न्यूज़पेपर में देखते हैं कि यहाँ की बच्ची ने ये एग्ज़ाम क्रैक किया, यहाँ के बच्चे ने ये एग्ज़ाम क्रैक किया। बहुत ही आनंद की अनुभूति होती है जब हम ऐसा हमें पढ़ने को मिलता है और हम देखते हैं। तो यही हम सबका सपना है, कुर्सी रहे न रहे, हमारे अंदर का जो आत्मविश्वास है वो सदैव रहना चाहिए और हम सबको मिलके अपने भविष्य को सुधारने का एक अच्छा सुनहरा मौका है और उसे हम सुधारेंगे। मेरा बेटा सर वो पढ़ने में अच्छा नहीं है, मैंने बहुत कोशिश की, लेकिन वो सौम्या जानती है उससे बेहतर। अर्नव सिंह को मैंने हॉस्टल में डाला सर, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स का टाइम देना भी बहुत ज़रूरी होता है बच्चों के लिए, लेकिन कहीं न कहीं मैं उसे टाइम नहीं दे पा रही थी मेरे वर्क के वजह से। तो मैंने उसे सर बोर्डिंग में डाला, वहाँ भी वो अच्छा नहीं दिखा। फिर मैंने सोचा कि मुझे बच्चों को फोर्स नहीं करना है, वो आगे चल के क्या बनते हैं क्या नहीं बनते हैं हुआ। हृदय से शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ, आपका आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ और यहाँ के जितने भी बच्चे परफॉर्मेंस दिए टू गुड, और ऐसे बच्चों को आप संभालते हैं, निखारते हैं। इन सब जिम्मेदारियों के साथ आपका स्कूल एक बहुत ही ऊपर चला गया है सर। साफेज का नाम लेने पे लोग जानते हैं कि साफेज के ब्रांचेस के बारे में जानते हैं। सो मैं चाहूँगी कि गाजीपुर का आप ऐसे ही हमारे बच्चों का उनका विकास करते रहें, उन्हें एक्सपायर करते रहें। और हम सब लोगों के माता पिता के लिए यही जरूरी है, इंस्पायर करने के साथ साथ हम उनके भविष्य को भी ऐसे ही सुधारते रहें। और मैं धन्यवाद करूँगी आपको, यहाँ के सभी टीचर्स को, प्रिंसिपल सर को, आपने मुझे यहाँ इन्वाइट किया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you for your kind words. Now, Director Dr. Meena Dhami will deliver the vote of thanks, expressing our gratitude to everyone who made this day special. Ma'am, please welcome.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Distinguished Chief Guest, Mrs. Sapna Singh, President, Zilla Panchayat, Gazipur, our Honorable Management Director Sir, Mazhar Saab, other distinguished guests present over here, बहुत हमारे मेरिटोरियस बच्चों के पेरेंट्स, आप आज के खास मेहमान हैं, माय एस्टीम्ड टीचर्स, वेरी लविंग चिल्ड्रन. Today is a very special day. First of all, I would like to offer my deepest gratitude to Almighty God for His abundant blessings. He has blessed us for all these 40 years, and much before these 40 years the construction started. Then I would like to pay my sincere regards, respect, and I feel indebted to late Madam Saida Faiz, who sowed the seed of the Shahfaiz Public School, and under its shade thousands of students have taken education and taking enlightenment. This seed has taken the shape of a banyan tree now. So we feel really we are blessed that something good is being done because of Madam only. My fond appreciation to Mrs. Sapna Singh. You accepted our invitation, you shared your precious time with us, blessed our school, appreciated our students, our teachers. Thank you so much, ma'am. Every program, every event needs a meticulous planning And I won't hesitate to say that our director, sir, is so minutely paying attention to each detail. Each minutest detail is taken care of, and under his guidance, things are coming up. Thank you, teachers. Soumya is an example that you are going on the right track. So I think all of you must clap for yourself today. Soumya, you really made us proud. Wonderful. May God bless you. You keep on flourishing, progressing, and achieve heights. एक दिन DM बन कराओ. I would like to appreciate the team behind the event. Mr. Manoj, Program Coordinator, Mrs. Garima, for very decent anchoring, Deepika ma'am for lovely kids program, Shyam sir for all the songs, Vijay sir for wonderful presentation. He took many days to prepare, he paid his lot of attention and time. And 4th grade staff, without their contribution we cannot fulfill any of the event. So thank you everybody, thank you teachers, thank you parents, thank you kids, thank you very much. And media persons, special thanks.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. Let's sing the national anthem. Please stand and join in. Priyanka ma'am, Preeti ma'am, Tasneem ma'am, please welcome.
तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जनगण मंगल दायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे, जय हे, जय हे, जय 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 हे।
Please take your seats, everyone. Plant a sapling symbolizing growth and harmony with nature. Ma'am, please.
Please. पानी
दो खींचे, दो यहाँ पे खींचे।
आप ठीक से ले लीजिए यादिन सर, ले लीजिए
वो है ना।
अब हाथ नहीं
अब लो पौधा उसी तो तीनों में जो सब करें तो
और पानी दो थोड़ा सा। अरे नहीं साफ मिट्टी है,
मिट्टी से जो हाथ धोया जाता है।
मिट्टी से तो हाथ माजा कर देते पहले। आई अरे वो बच्ची सौम्या को नहीं लिया हम लोगों ने। ये स्कूल का सबसे बड़ा अट्रैक्शन है ना।
पानी बढ़ा हुआ है।
हाँ वरना
अधिकार का कोई पता नहीं है।
हाँ वहाँ दूसरे घाट में मिला।
खूबसूरत
खटान तो यहाँ नहीं होती है ना, खटान होती है।
नहीं आ पाता है यहाँ।
ये गिर गया था पूरा, ये पूरा रेनोवेट हुआ है, काफी डैमेज हो गया।
आजा सर
थैंक यू सर।
बाहर चल गए
रखवा दिया है आप लोग अरे हम लोग हम कौन से
After